Welcome everybody on our Gimatic live session. My name is Guerino Rosso and I'm the Operative Director of Gimatic.
Hello, I'm Andrea Menevolo, I'm the R&D Manager at Gimatic.
Gimatic has always been active in the fight of collaborative robot, but even before in the fight of robotic and automation. Now we belong to a listed company, Barnes Group, located in the United States, who has always been driven by innovation in two main segments, aerospace and industrial. In industrial application, we have a full range of solutions and we can support different applications thanks to our product division. We started by our handling division to create grippers to pick and place solution, plastic division for plastic market, and lastly, mechatronics solution for collaborative robot and medical market, always equipped by electronics and sensors, so to complete the product offering that we can do on the market. We are a really vertical company. Inside of Gimatic, we have technical expertise in mechanical, mechatronics, electronics, and even information technology to follow up the mega trend on the market, metal replacement, big data, cloud system, and digital transformation. We have already done several applications about collaborative robots from Japan to United States to Europe, always driven by the demand of the customer and always driven by our expertise. And we always develop solutions to follow up innovation. Have a check about how many patents we have. We have a lot of patents, and have a check about the last and latest solution we patent. This is a concept grippers. It's a fully mechatronics gripper, but it's without the motor. So thanks to these looking bands, we are going to connect the gripper to the robot wrist, and we are able to drive the gripper, turning the gripper or gripping thanks to the robot wrist. And we change the signal by the connector of the robot. Totally new concept, totally new approach, mechatronics without the motor. Really embedded on the robot. You control the gripper by one single element, so just while your teach pendant, you can drive the robot and then the gripper. So that's the great advantage. You will see more in the future about this kind of innovation. But let's come back to the real product that we are now offering on the market. So we started in 2012 by our mechatronics division. This is the first gripper we developed at that time. And immediately when Universal Robot came out, we realized the capacitor box in order to support the gripper with a fully current, in order to realize the application 100% of the force, 100% of the speed, low weight. So that's the best trade-off between weight, dimension, and speed. Obviously, we are not stopped on parallel solution. We also have different kind of solutions. So let me say angular, radial solution, and even 3 jaws solution, so like this one. Okay, and we call this kind of approach modular approach. Is a starter box. So thanks to our grippers with the driver embedded, they are fully plug and play. You can immediately start to use your robot and to perform your application. Leaving the grippers, we develop also the full range of the tool changers. So let me say, to speed up the tool change. So whenever you're going to improve your performance with the robot, you're going to have more tools on the market. It's necessary to have a tool to connect to the robot, and then the other part is going to hold the gripper. Immediately from one lever, you can engage or disengage the part. You have immediately the connection of the air ports and immediately the connection of the electrical signal. So we started from our standard tool changer, manual tool changer, and we already developed a new solution. So this is manual tool changer, but fully collaborative design. So this is totally round, one single lever to open and close the solution on the market. And then you can open and close immediately your solution. All the electrical connection, they are in the middle, so to avoid any sharp edge around the tool changer. But that one is the second revolution on the tool changer, but we already made another step, a further step on the electrical tool changer. This is a fully electrical tool changer with a brushless motor inside, embedded driver, just a plug and play solution to connect to the robot wrist, and in the middle we can find a full connector with our RFID tag for the global tracking. It's a new trend on the market. Global tracking, keep trace on your production all over the world. In this case, we're going to show our demo application today.
We have set up here a demo application based on our 20 kilogram payload collaborative tool changer, the EQC20, in combination with a couple of different tools. We have an end-to-end electric gripper, in this case a 3-jaws self-centering gripper, and a 3D printed vacuum cup based UAT. The EQC20 has a very limited power consumption. It means that it can be connected directly to the robot wrist. So the M8 connector is used to drive the EQC20 for the locking and unlocking operation of the tool, to drive the electric gripper with a pass-through signal, and also to get signal back from the EQC20, because we have a couple of sensors inside, so we can know whenever the tool has been correctly gripped or released. Vacuum and air pressure can be provided directly to the EQC, and this way to the tool, thanks to the embedded air ports and fittings. And for the electric power supply to the tool, we have developed two models of electric connectors. The first one counts 32 pins, freely configurable, for example, for a one-to-one signal transfer from the robot to the tool. And the other one counts just 16 pins, but in addition it has a tag RFID on the tool side and our RFID reader on the robot side. And this can be used, for example, for a correct identification of the tool, to be sure that your robot is working with the proper tool depending on the operation. The RFID tag is a standard NFC tag. This allows you to use our application on your smartphone that you can download from the store to access data that you can store on the tag, to transfer your comments during your everyday activity to our cloud-based platform, and eventually get notified of any imminent maintenance event that may occur. As every single UR kit that we develop, the EQC20 as well has its own UR cap that you can download for free from our website. Using the UR cap, you can configure a set of predefined tools, assigning, for example, in the installation node, the mask properties, the TCP location, and your own description. And later on in the program node, you can record this information, just selecting the type of operation that you want to make, the take, release, or change of the tool, and selecting the names of the tool involved in this operation. The 3D printed UAT that we are showing here is just an example of what Gimatic can do to support you in your everyday challenging application. We can rely on our wide range of standard products, making solutions like, for example, adaptive UAT. This solution shows you suspension and a carbon fiber based frame for lightweight solution, because we know that the weight is a very important matter in terms of collaborative robotics. And finally, talking about our tool changer portfolio, we are going to expand this pretty soon with two new models, a 5 kilograms and a 100 kilograms payload. And next, we will release a new family of collaborative electric grippers where you can control freely position, speed, and force, and also new products for GMP, medical, and food industry. And now I'm going to start this demo so you can see how this system works.
Well, meanwhile, the demo case, we can show you where you can buy and then where you can find our Gimatic products. So we can leverage on our sales channel. We have more than 20 subsidiaries all over the world and more than 30 distributors all over the world. They are fully trained, able to support you, to provide just components, to provide a complete solution, even to reach out a complete installation of our robot kit to your universal robot, based on your expertise, based on your experience. Obviously, you can leverage also on our e-commerce that is located close by our website. And don't forget to stay tuned on our social network and our YouTube channel, just to have a check about our newest application and new solution for the market. Don't forget to download our application with a really stunning solution inside, like augmented reality and RFID tracking for global tracking. So now come back and see you on our virtual exhibition. Bye guys.
Bye bye.